Welcome to Candy Rainbow Kids. Hello kids. Today, we are gonna be sailing the high seas of creativity by drawing a fantastic ship. So let's get started. First, we will draw the bottom of our boat. For this, we will draw a sleeping line and then draw two slanting lines. Let's draw some design of wave to make it more attractive. Now we'll draw a rectangle and add some windows. Wow! It's coloring time. Red color. Blue color. Brown color. Light blue color. Yellow color. Green color. Red color. Let's color the bottom of the ship with green color brush. Wow! Look at this amazing ship. It's ready to explore the open ocean. Please like and subscribe for more interesting videos.